Well, it is a Friday and the weekend is quickly coming upon us. We did come out with our weekly e-update today, which went out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some good articles there about sentencing and sentencing guidelines. I also did an article on the difference between murder and manslaughter. Those articles were focused on recent events where we received a lot of questions about the Derek Chauvin trial in Minneapolis and answering those questions. And now that matter moves into the sentencing phase. And the point of the article, that one article, was to explain the sentencing process and how it happens. I know that a lot of analysts on TV, not lawyers, by the way, were discussing what type of sentence he should receive. And it seemed like they just wanted the judge to pick out some random sentence. But there is a process. News reporters, especially ESPN analysts, usually aren't lawyers, and they should really stick to calling games and watching games and following those games and interviewing athletes. Because when it comes to the legal profession, they just make comments sometimes that I really question. And to make a statement sometimes about sentencing when you have no idea about the process, it's the equivalent of a lawyer commenting on the offense and defense of a team and having no understanding of it. So reporters should stick to being reporters and let the lawyers do their jobs. And that's why we have professions. We have separate professions. Obviously, they can comment, but when it comes to actually giving an analysis, it's really depressing to watch sometimes these individuals who are very well paid to do their jobs make legal commentary, and it's just a real shock. So I'm surprised, really, that especially ESPN allows reporters just to make statements sometimes with actually when they have absolutely no legal education or experience in the system. So with that said, it is the weekend. It is the busiest time for our law firm. Often we receive a lot of our calls on the weekends, and that's why we answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are stopped by police, it's very important to be respectful, be polite, but do not give consent to search your car or your person. It will not help your criminal case. If the officer wants to search the car, do not get in his or her way, but make it clear that you're not giving consent. With regards to chemical tests, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood or breathalyzer test. Again, that will not help your case. Let your attorney fight that battle if you are arrested. If you are arrested, nothing you say is going to help your case to the officer. Even if they say, just tell us what happened and we'll go easy on you, they simply don't have that authority. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've ever written as a lawyer is available there. It's a very convenient website, and we've made it that way because we believe that an educated client really puts himself or herself in the best possible position. If you are arrested, hire an attorney as soon as possible. It's the best opportunity to negotiate or argue bail. Once bail is set, there are things that your attorney can do, but it just delays the process, and there's a good possibility that you will end up spending a much more longer time in jail and not out of jail, helping your attorney prepare for that case. Once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all very soon.